Do you want to add trendy and eye-catching transition to your videos? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create flip stack reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's dive in! Step number 1 is to open up the app and tap New Project. Go ahead and select the main video clip or photo you want to use and add it to your timeline. Now for the fun part, step number 2. Tap on your video clip in the timeline to select it and you will see a toolbar pop up at the bottom of your screen. Scroll over and tap on Animation. Make sure you switch to the tab in the search bar. Search for flip stack animation. There, you can see a lot of options that you can choose for flip stack animation. Once you apply it, you can see flip stack animation in your video. You know that you can customize how fast or slow the reveal happens. At the bottom of the animation tab, you will see duration slide. If you're done, the last step is before exporting, preview your video from beginning to the end for adjustments.
Here goes. Doppler duplicate.
And there you have it! That's how you create flip stack reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!